This MCO training is all about invoices. I know you definitely need to know, how do you create invoices for your clients? Well, let's get started. Creating an invoice first starts with making sure that you have already created the product or service that you want to bill for. So let's go over here to our account area, go into billing and products. Now, you can create a product as in your coaching package. You can create whatever group that you have. If there's a particular group, you can do that. I started off doing that, but I have to tell you, I really prefer just creating dollar amounts so that I can use those dollar amounts for any service that I have. Okay. And so instead of having the Pathfinders program or time management or my 3-month coaching package, I have here $350, $200, 150 or $75. It's completely up to you which way you want to do it. But creating a new product is just as simple as clicking on the new product button. I'm going to put, it's going to be $649. The unit price is going to be $649. All right, it's just standard. There's no tax on this. I'm going to click save, and just that simple. I'm going to have something here is 649, 649, and I can use it on any program that I create. Why is that important? It saves time. I will not always have the same coaching packages available, but once you use this for one of your clients, you cannot delete it. Okay. All right. Because it would change all of your invoicing and your reports. So once you use it, you can't delete it. So I prefer, if you want to keep it clean, put dollar amounts. So let's go over to these invoices here and let's create an invoice for $649. So these are all of the invoices that I've ever created in this account. These two have not been sent yet. They are, this one is not yet scheduled to be sent, but this one is scheduled to be sent on July 10th. We're going to click on new invoice, and this invoice is going to go out to Maria. All right. Maria Jones is going to receive her invoice, and she's going to receive that on July 1st. And I do want to use that $649 invoice. And my note to her is, thank you for your trust. And we're going to now preview it. All right. So here's our information. This is Maria's information. Here's my note. This is my product or service. All right. Thank you for your trust. Now, if it was a particular program, I put the name of the program in the notes since I'm only putting a dollar amount here. And then the payment method that I'm using on this account is PayPal, but we also have Stripe available currently. I'm going to put send later because I already have the date of July 1st to put it out, to send it out. And now it's going to send that out to my client, Maria, and it is here. Here's one thing for you to make sure that you are remembering is that if the invoice is not paid 7 days after your client has received, the client due date, what happens is they will lose access to the system. So you don't have to worry about people being able to have access to the system if they have not paid you. They will not have access to the system. Now, that doesn't mean that they won't schedule meetings with you, or if they had a meeting already scheduled, then that meeting is already scheduled. It would be up to you to have that meeting or not. But obviously, if they haven't paid you, if you have that meeting, you want to have a discussion about payment. So that is all that there is to invoices. The invoices show up with your client in their profile under invoices. And let's just go to Maria's and see what we see. So here are my clients. Here's Maria Jones. I'm going to click on her. And here are her invoices. And as you can see, all of these invoices have already been sent. These are paid or voided, except for the one I just created. It's going to go out on the 30th of June. All right. And it says not sent, but she will be receiving that on the 30th of June. It's very easy, very user-friendly. We like to keep it that way here at MCO. Thank you so much for watching. Happy coaching, everyone.